Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. We got a special treat for you guys today. We're making this delicious strawberry limeade. Ooh-wee! Let's get started. Go ahead and cut 10 limes in half. This should add up to 1 cup of lime juice. We have a regular squeezer, but today we're trying out this one. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze! The limes are probably the hardest part you have to do, but I promise it's worth it. Alright, all done with that one. Let's set the juice aside. Go ahead and pour in a small cup of water into a small pot. Go ahead and pour 1 cup of water into a small pot. Next, stop pouring a cup of sugar into the water. Go ahead and heat it up until it's completely dissolved. Make sure you stir it. While that's heating up, we're gonna cut up our strawberries. This is 1 pound of strawberries. We're cutting them up so they can all fit in the blender, and so we don't get these little white stem edges. Alright, the water's all done, and this is how it should look. Make sure you get all the red parts. We don't waste anything around here. Alright, all the strawberries into the blender. Pour in half a cup of water into the blender. Alright, seal it up. Just blend it. This is how it should look. Just like this is delicious, but it's too thick, so we have to water it down. In your agua fresca container it goes. Next up, pour in your lime juice. I like pouring it back into the blender so we can get all the strawberry juice in there. In the agua fresca container it goes. Next up, pour in the syrup that we prepared. Give it a quick little mix. We're gonna add 4 cups of water. I'm trying to milk the strawberries off this blender. Give it another mix. And we're going to pour 4 cups of ice. This ingredient is optional. You don't have to put it, but it makes it taste a little bit better. Strawberry extract. Do about 5 drops. Alright, now another 4 cups of ice. Give it a mix and fill the rest in with water. Alright, now for the taste test, my favorite part. Pour it in slowly so you won't spill anything. And this is how it should turn out. I hope you guys liked it, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because it really helps out our channel. Oh yeah, and don't forget to give it a like, please, and thank you.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.